Everybody, this is Larry from MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. And today I'm on this 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. This is an extremely versatile boat for Northeast Florida, whether you're fishing, going to the sandbar. It's loaded with features, creature comfort, and is a very, very capable machine, unsinkable, just like every other Boston Whaler. Today we're going to start at the power plant. In the back, we've got this awesome Mercury 400 horsepower V10 outboard. Lots of power, tons of torque, extremely quiet and fuel efficient. It's on a jack plate, so it's going to help you get into some shallower water. It's also going to give you a little bit more speed and fuel economy by being able to lift the engine up a little higher. As we come back, we've got a raw water washdown connection in the motor well, so you can spray the boat down with salt water to rinse away any dirt, fish guts, etc. It's also equipped with a pull-out freshwater shower as well. So when you're coming in off the sandbar, you've got a great way to rinse off, get that salt and sand off of you. In the center of the boat here, we've got a live well down below. This is one of 2 live wells on this boat. Nice and big. They're also fully insulated, so you can use them as coolers when you're not fishing. And here we've got 2 seats in the rear deck. Of course, this boat is equipped with nice plush seat cushions as well. But I just wanted to show you how this works. When you're fishing, the seat backs tuck away. And now you've got a nice, solid casting platform in the rear deck. Easily converts to comfort when you're cruising by flipping up those backrests. You've got 4 rod holders, cup holders on this transom deck as well. You've got a ladder that folds over. We've got easy access to the bilge as well. Right here at the leaning post, we've got another pair of rod holders, and then we've got another live well here that's lit, drains overboard, also is fully insulated. You can use this as a cooler as well. You're also going to notice some more rod holders in the gunnels. And with this flip-flap backrest, we've got nice support for when you're standing at the helm. You can lean against this. You've got nice tilt steering. You can get in a nice comfortable position. Digital controls on your Mercury outboard. Jack plate controls right at your fingertips, as well as your trim tabs and all the functions on the boat. This boat's equipped with a 12-inch Simrad display, a Mercury vessel view, JL audio head unit, and a Simrad VHF. Very well equipped and turnkey. Right above my head, we've got some life jacket storage, which is really convenient. Gets life jackets up and out of the way and doesn't eat up storage within the boat. We've got a nice map light here in the T-top. Again, this backrest flips all the way back, all the way forward. Nice and comfortable. You've got a raised footrest at the helm. So seating here is extremely comfortable in a Boston Whaler. It is the most comfortable fishing boat in its class. Right above my head here on the T-top, something that you'll see that's very unique and something that's one of the things only available on a Boston Whaler is a tow point on a T-top. You can go ahead and pull a wakeboarder right from here. Something really, really strong on this Boston Whaler. I'm going to move forward now. I'm going to pass this console. Inside, you've got a nice head compartment, tons of storage down here as well. And then wait till you check out this storage underneath this beautiful lounge seat with folding backrests, cup holders, lots of room up here for cruising when you're with the family. And let me show you this storage that is down below. This is lockable storage. You can easily load this up with 5-gallon buckets, all of your gear. You can also store rods going into the console, and we've got racks inside on this lounge seat compartment. This boat's also equipped with the forward bow shade and a bow table, which stores nice and conveniently underneath the lid of the lounge seat. Bow table goes right up here. Moving forward, we've got these tilt-up backrests on the Boston Whaler. Gives you a nice comfortable position to lay out, and they knock down real easy. Patented system, very simple to use. Here we've got a fully insulated fish box. Since Boston Whaler is foam filled, this will hold ice for days. Really great cooler system. Underneath the front cushion, we've got anchor storage. And right here, we've got a motor guide, 36-volt trolling motor with wireless remote control. This boat is already equipped with a battery charger. It is turnkey, ready to fish. Give me a call at 904-545-5310 and we'll set up a sea trial today. Thank you.